Alright everybody, so my first project for 2023 here is going to be the AMT 1957 Chevy Bel Air. This is the 2018 release. Nothing fancy about this here. It's a good looking car. I mean, well, you can't go wrong with a 57 Chevy, right? So, I got the parts all laid out here. Let me give a quick unboxing here. So, got the, this is weird because the chrome tree here has the rear suspension and the drive shaft on it. Kind of strange, but whatever. The other chrome tree that has front end, gauges, lights, wheels, the rear light chrome there, so that's cool stuff. Like I said, this is very basic. You can tell this is an older kit. I know this has been released a number of times in the past, so this is got the metal axles and whatnot. But this here, paint this bad boy black, pick out the exhaust, the fuel tank there. Over here we got the hood, the chairs came off one of the tree here, so clean that up. Engine parts, all very nice. Battery, steering wheel. You can see there's a lot of flash on some of the trees here. You got the battery there, the steering wheel. So, clean it up a little bit. Boom, bada dinger. That is the 283 motor right there. So then here we got the dashboard. Dashboard goes that way if I can focus it. There it goes. Part of the steel wheels there. The interior. Very, very basic wheels and a couple miscellaneous parked there. The body is very beautiful on this thing. I'm really liking this. It's not focusing because I got too many things in the background there, but hey, it's okay. So this is going to be really cool. Clean it up a bit here, and I'm not sure what color I'm going to paint it yet. I want something a little basic on this because it'll make it stock. In the box, I still got the decals, which has got the cool 57 fin thing there going, and it's got a 157 and a classic 57 decals and some oh, it's not focusing here, and some pinstriping things. Ooh, it fell. There it goes. Some pinstriping things there. So there we go on that. And the rest of the box, I'm not opening up yet, is the metal axle. Dog's barking in the background again. Tires, very nice, which will have the white walls on them, I guess. I think those are those, which clearly need some cleanup there. And then you got the windows, the lights. Take care of all that. That's what's in the box. Instructions on this bad boy are very, very basic. Shows you the engine all in one swing. Shows you the interior in one swing. The wheels, the underneath. Like I said, not a lot going on here. This is real simple and basic. Pan windows in the body, miscellaneous on the engine, put it in there. Dog's coming back. Hey there, Poochie Noodle. How you doing? Alright, hey, every time I film a video, you don't have to come in here. I know you want to say hi to the happy people. You don't have to be jealous. And then when you flip the page over, it's got your parts tree, which is very nice. But like I said, not a lot of parts going on here. Dog wants to say hi. There you go. And so this is very basic. I'm going to go through my paint stash right now and see what I got going here. I know I got a cool, I want to do it stock, but I know I got a cool, like a metallic orange sitting there. And we'll see what's going on with it. I think the metallic orange is going to be okay. So here's the first kit of 2023. It is 57 Chevy by AMT. Yes, I don't care. Alright, quiet. Go by mommy. Go. Go. Nah, that pisses you off. Woo! Alright, so everybody, that's my thing. I will give you updates as I go along, and I'm going to start it this evening. Everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care.